Hey guys, it's Kaiwan from Kaiwan Production. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be showing you guys 3 top favorite apps for Instagrammer, especially photographers that use Instagrams a lot. Alright guys, so before I mention these apps, obviously they're not paying me to do this. I just love using these apps. So yeah, without further ado, the first app I'm going with Plan, P-L-A-N-N. And the reason for that is a very powerful Instagram planning app. Everything you need to design, edit, analyze, and scheduling your posts. That's really something every influencer, every photographers need to organize their gallery, to manage what their next future post, so I can have a beautiful organized feed. And let me explain why this is really important to have an app like this in your account. Obviously you need to organize your gallery as a photographer, filmmaker, as an artist. No matter what kind of field are you into, but you have to have a organized, matched, seamlessly together gallery. It's really important. That's one of the main things that I really care about on my Instagram. And honestly, it's sad to say, no matter how talented you are, how good your photos are, but if they are not organized, I think it will be totally pointless. So you should really care about this point. Second app, I'm going for Unfold. Now, maybe a lot of you guys know about this app and what it does. But for those people who don't know about this app, obviously this is an app that helps you to create an artistic stories. For example, you have photos, videos, you don't want to post them, but you want to post them on your stories. But you want to please some of the eyes, you want to make them the most attractive as possible. But let's be honest, how boring it is to just post that without doing anything, not a filter, not anything, like literally anything. And people will be just like, this just a normal story photo, But if you use this app and use some of their theme, they're incredibly artistic. And it's like you show that you care about your pictures and you give them an artistic touch, and by posting them you please more eyes and you attract more people to your account. So that's really important, and I use Unfold all the time. For instance, I don't post a lot of photos and I just want to post them on my story, put them on one theme, and then spam it all of you guys. So yeah. Now the third app I'm going for, Snapseed. Now obviously this is one of my favorite photo editing apps, and I use Snapseed a lot. And the reason for this is that it has almost 29 tools and filters, including healing, brush, structures, HDR, perspective, and many more tools. And the cool thing about this app, it opens JPEG, and it also access to RAW file. And one thing I really like about Snapseed, which is copying and pasting the filters. For example, you're done with one edit, you just have to copy it and paste it on another picture if you want to use the same filter and the same look to another picture, yeah. And another thing that I really like about Snapseed is you can save any looks that you're done with it. Let's say you're done with one edit and you want to save it, and then you can actually paste it or apply it to another photo with one click. So that's amazing. So that's really impressive from Snapseed, and I really highly recommend you guys for quick instant edit. You can always use Snapseed. It's there, it's on your phone, and it's for free. So obviously I'm gonna plug my store. Now you can get the whole shop, all of my stuff, all of my product, preset packs, overlay, LUTs for Adobe Premiere, all in one pack with a very decent price. The link will be in the first line of the description. You can go check it out for more details. So yeah, if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what do you think for more, upcoming videos like this. Do you like this style? Do you like just me talking, and enlighten you with some of the information I know? So yeah, let me know in the comment section, and I see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.